D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer.
Hey D&D Sports fans, welcome back to another episode of What's New in the RC Shop. And as you can see, my background's a little different this week. Starting off the week, I'm out of town, so I grabbed the order that was delivered to the store, and I figured I would come up here to Lakewood, New York, where my wife is busy doing something, so I figured I would open up the order. And I have the order on the table behind me, but due to the wind, I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys what's in there. As you can see, we have two large boxes. The first box, I want to make sure there's no peanuts or anything in it. It is a TRX4 chassis kit, so we'll pull that out of the box and let you see it. Alright, so let's see what we got in the big box here. So there is a Sunset Blazer, Ford Raptor, some packaging peanuts, and a whole bunch of parts. So let's pull that out. I'll set it on the table so you can check it out. Alright, so here was everything out of the boxes. We got one Fox Edition Raptor, we got one Sunset Blazer, we actually got two more of the 1/16 scale E-Revos. I got the Fox, just the body, and the chassis kit. I also got some more parts in. Try to get my shadow out of here. So these are the 8119s. So that's your snorkel kit for your sports. We got a spare tire for the Bronco. Some other TRX4 parts. We got a rear wing for a 1/16 scale E-Revo. We also got a clear body for the 1/16 scale E-Revo. And some more just restock on parts. Bigfoot bumper or Bigfoot grill. Alright guys, so I promised you this week would be a little bit better, so we're starting off the week good. I have more orders coming in on Thursday. Alright guys, well that is it for today. I'll be back in the studio on Thursday to unbox that order and get the video out to you on Friday. Alright D&D Sports fans, well I told you last week this week was going to be better, and as you can see there's 5 more large boxes on the table. Not sure how I'm going to do this. We will open them up, get everything out, and hopefully it all fits on that table, and we'll show you what we got. Let's start with the big long box in the front. Alright, well there it is. That's what's in this box. We got one of the new TRX6 models, and you notice this one actually has the 6, where the one that I originally got from them has the TRX4 on it. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'll end up hanging on to that one for myself. Alright, so the next box. Other than being a bunch of packaging peanuts, looks like a whole bunch of parts. So we'll dump all those out in a minute and check them out. Okay, so we're up to the big box. Looks like it has a red Bronco, a Sunset Bronco, and a TRX4 Defender. And the next one we'll do is the smaller box. It looks like this one's going to be a 4-wheel drive Flash. We'll pull that out and check it out. And yeah, that one's pretty cool looking. And we'll check out what's in this box. Looks like there's a Bigfoot number 1. I don't know what else is down there. Let's pull it out and see. Alright guys, the only thing I do not have sitting out here on the table is the 6x6. There just wasn't enough room to add another box. But in that last box, we had another 4-wheel drive VXL Slash to go along with the Fox. 2 completer packs. One's a 2S completer pack, one's a 3S completer pack. The new style of the Bigfoot number 1, so that has a little bit different paint job than the original one that come out. I'm not sure how much of a different paint job, but I do know it's got a different barcode, which means it has something different than the original. And we have the gray Defender, and one of those are red and one is Sunset. I should have turned that around. And then we had some parts, a couple batteries, some more TRX4 stuff, and we are now starting to get in the TRX6 parts. So that 8847 would be a TRX6 part. The 8837 right here, that is the third axle on the TRX6. And here is the chassis rails for a TRX6. And I think that 82 might also be part of that. We got some aluminum drive shafts in for the four-wheel drive Slash and Rustler. Alright guys, so that is everything for this week. If you liked the video, please click the thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button. We do this every week, reveal what we are getting in the RC shop. I also told you guys that I would be asking you, showing you a new project that we had in the store. So I'm going to switch the camera around and show you what we got going on behind me. Alright guys, so I told you we were going to work on something new in the store, and this large indoor slot track that we have right now is kind of just used for throwing junk on, storage, things like that. We're going to remove all of this, and we're going to make this an indoor rock crawling course. And my plan is to maybe come up from the back and come across the top and then back down and have some rocks and stuff down here in the bottom. But I wanted to get some ideas from you guys. So if you've been to an indoor rock crawling course, or if you have your own, jump on over to our Facebook page, search D&D Sports, DD Game Zone, you will find us, and share me some of your pictures, whether you do it through a post on there or through Messenger. I'm just looking for some ideas. So if you have any ideas, I know you can't share pictures in the comments here, so jump on over to our Facebook page and share those with us, all right? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week on what's new in the RC shop.